I've been wanting to fix the jump force for a while now. If I look at the character control, we have this weird system with these few weird lines of code. I'm going to simplify this. First, I'm going to get rid of the gravity multiplier and the pull multiplier, so just delete that. And we're going to get a bunch of error messages, so we're going to fix those. I'm going to delete gravity pull. We're not using that script anymore. I'm also going to delete smash. We're not using that either. And we're not using the pull multiplier, so just get rid of those lines from the jump script. And now we're just left with this part of the script for the character control. Now all we want to do is stop the character from going up once you let go of the jump key. So if we let go of the jump key and we don't have this option turned on, then we're going to start decreasing the upward momentum. We're just going to minus 10% of the upward velocity. Since this is in the fixed update, the stop should happen fairly quickly. So if I go back and play, so if I hold on to the jump key, we jump at the maximum height, and if I let go in the middle, kind of like Mario, you stop going up. And you can control the jump force with a little more detail now. Same thing with the running jump. So here's a long jump, and here's a short jump. So that was some quick polishing for the jump force, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.